हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम एक ऐसे टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे जो हर एक स्टूडेंट का क्वेश्चन होता है, जिस पे बात बहुत कम लोग करते हैं। द टॉपिक इज़ रियलिटी ऑफ टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट लाइक IIT. I am also a student of Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology, Sipur. After coming here, I had opportunity to observe many things about student life, competition, pressure, and expectation. So today I want to talk about something very important: the reality of top institutes and the challenge student face after reaching there. क्योंकि अक्सर हम जो बाहर से देखते हैं, वास्तविकता उससे काफ़ी अलग होती है. Especially in India, after completing 12th grade, many students have one common dream: to get admission in a top institute like Indian Institute of Technology or National Institute of Technology. Students work extremely hard for whole year. Coaching classes, long study hours, constant pressure, everything for one goal. बस IIT मिल जाए फिर लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. Some students want to get to there for high quality education and opportunities, but for many students there is also a belief that once they enter a top institute, their life will be automatically become successful and enjoyable. लेकिन असली सवाल यह है, क्या सच में ऐसा होता है? The reality is totally different. When students enter the top institute, they suddenly find themselves in an environment where every student is already a top performer. Student who was the topper in school suddenly realized that everyone around them was also a topper. Competition become much higher, and slowly students start experiencing academic pressure, टॉप परफॉर्मेंस, एंजाइटी, कंपैरिजन, सेल्फ डाउट. कई बार स्टूडेंट को लगता है कि वो एक्सपेक्टेशन को हैंडल ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. द एकेडमिक वर्कलोड इन टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट इज़ वेरी इंटेंस. असाइनमेंट, प्रोजेक्ट, एग्ज़ाम, इंटर्नशिप, एवरीथिंग मूव वेरी फास्ट एंड sometimes students feel overloaded. In recent year, media report have also highlighted that in institute like IIT, NIT, there have been several cases related to severe mental stress among students. यह बहुत दुखद और चिंताजनक रियलिटी है. But it is important to understand that this is not just a problem of one institute. It reflects a larger issue, the education system. Now the question is, why does it happen? If someone has already achieved their dreams college and does stress still exist? There are several reasons. Extreme competition in top institute. Every student is highly talented. This naturally increases competition and pressure. Sometimes students and families believe that once a student enters the top institute, life will become perfect. But the truth is, that is actually where the real struggle begins. Lack of life skills. In our education system, students are taught many academic subjects, but very rarely are they taught how to manage life. We are not taught how to deal with stress, how to handle failure, how to maintain balance in life. इसलिए जब असली प्रेशर आता है तो कई बार माइंड उसे मैनेज ही नहीं कर पाता है. The biggest reality, if we honestly reflect, the issue is not only about IIT or NIT. The deeper problem is that society often defines success only through marks, college, and salaries. But real success is much broader. Real success includes mental well-being, clarity of purpose, and meaningful work, balanced life. If your dreams is to enter a top institute, you should definitely work hard for it. But always remember one thing: a college does not define your entire identity. Your identity is defined by your mindset, your ability to learn, your purpose in life. To getting into a top institute a great achievement, but it is not the final destination. Life is much bigger than a single exam or single कॉलेज. इसीलिए केवल एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करने पर फोकस मत करो. अपने माइंड को और अपनी लाइफ को समझने पर फोकस करो. Because when your mind becomes strong and clear, even the toughest challenge become manageable. This is my one experience after getting this college, and I experience and I feel that I am sharing with you. So before running behind a college, I have a message for student. A big package. Take a moment to ask yourself one question: what kind of life do you actually want to build? क्योंकि असली सफलता सिर्फ एक कॉलेज में पहुंचना नहीं है. असली सफलता और खुद को समझना और अपनी लाइफ को मीनिंग देना. कॉलेज कैन गिव यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, बट इट कान गिव यू पीस ऑफ माइंड. वो आपको खुद बनाना पड़ता है. सो वर्क हार्ड फॉर योर ड्रीम्स, बट आल्सो लर्न हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर माइंड एंड योर लाइफ. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ये था यहीं तक मेरी लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस और मैसेज फॉर